Close your eyes and I'll miss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll spend all my loving to you. I'll pretend that I'm kissing the lips I am missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Oh my loving, yeah, oh my loving, I'll send to you. Well, I did there, pluckers, I saw things again with a Campfire version of the classic Beatles song, of course, All My Loving. Okay, this is a simpler played version, not too many bar chords, if any. I think there's only one. And same key as the original version, okay, so you can play along with the Beatles, no problem at all. Standard tuning, capo on the 2nd fret, okay. So let's start off then. So it starts off, goes straight into the song. Close your E minor, and now A7 or A. If you like the sound of the A better, play the A. I think it's an A7, but it could be an A. Okay, it's one of those sort of subtle things, personal preference. Okay, close your E minor, and A7, D, tomorrow, B minor. I'm playing a bar chord, B minor, 2nd fret from the capo, or you could play a simple B minor, whichever is more suitable for you. Okay, close your eyes and I'll kiss you. D, B minor. G, remember, E minor, C. I like to play a C with G in the bass, so you could play a normal C, that's fine. But I like to play a 4-finger G with the 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, and pinky playing the 3rd on the 5th there. But a normal C is fine. Okay, so from the beginning, E minor, close your eyes, A7 to kiss you. D, B minor, miss you. G, E minor. C, to A7, back to the E minor. A7, or D, or A or A7. D, B minor. G, A7, D. Okay, so we'll go through it a little bit more in one go this time. Okay, so from the beginning, close your eyes and I'll miss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. Stop. And then we'll do exactly the same thing again, different verse. Verse 2, I'll pre E minor, A7, D, B minor, G, E minor, C, A7, B minor, A7, D, B minor, G, A7, D. Stop. And we come into this sort of chorusy bit. All my loving I will send And that's a rundown from B minor, and this time I'm not playing a bar chord, just a straightforward B minor, simple B minor. And it's like two stabs really, it's like bam, 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 downstrokes. And then you do a D augmented. Okay, so what that is first finger is playing the second fret from the capo, top E string. Second finger is playing the third fret from the capo on the third string. Third finger is playing the third fret from the capo on the second string. And pinky is playing the fourth fret from the capo on the fourth string, the D string. It should sound like that. 4 down to 1, okay? Don't play the fifth string or the sixth string, okay? So B minor, bam, bam, dam, dam, and then to a D. Repeat, B minor, D augmented, D, stop, okay, and then the solo kicks in, okay? Okay, so I'll show you the solo next, but we'll just go through this coming out of the verse into this chorus. We'll do the second verse into the chorus, okay? I'll pretend I can sing the lips I am missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll sing all my loving to you. Chorus. All my loving I will sing to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Okay, so there's the chorus for you. Right, and then we go into the solo. And what I do is I place the open fourth string, do a run up to a G chord. It's open 4, open fourth string, second on the fourth, fourth on the fourth. And then I play a G chord, hitting the bass note first, and this right, and then sort of a down, up, down, sorry. And then we play these little double stops, okay? I'm playing on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret from the capo, the third string and also the top E string. I'm using my second finger and third finger, and I'm plucking the third string with my pick and the first string with my finger. Okay, so okay, and then we go down 2 frets to the 5th fret from the capo. Same, both third string and top E string on the 5th fret, another double pluck. Okay, so it's and then the third one is the 3rd fret from the capo with the first finger, top E string, and the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string with the second finger. Another double pluck. Okay, so okay, one pluck on each, and then we do a D chord. Hit the 4th string, open, and then strum the D chord. And then we have some more double stops. This time I'm playing the 5th fret from the capo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, top E string, first finger, and the 3rd string on the 7th fret from the capo. Again, I'm picking the pick with my third string with the pick, top E string with the finger. Okay. Then we go down to the 3rd fret from the capo with top E string, first finger, and 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string with the second finger. So far we've got this. Okay, and then we do another double stop on the 2nd fret from the capo on the 3rd string. I'm using my second finger for that, and the top E string on the 2nd fret also with my 3rd finger. Pick playing 3rd string, finger playing the top E string, okay? So now we've got this. Okay, then we play an E minor. Again, I'm hitting the bass strings first, and then strumming the rest of it, okay? It's not quite the same as the original, but it's fairly close, okay? And then up and this up. So one, hit the bass strings, strum down, and then up, down. Then we play this chord. It's an F sharp minor 7th. It makes the fingering easier. So I'm on the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th from the capo, and it's a minor. I'm only fretting the first, barring the first 5 strings with my first finger. The second finger, so that's the 7th fret bar with the first finger, first 5 strings. Second finger is playing the 8th fret of the second string, the B string. And my third finger is playing on the 4th string on the 9th fret. Is that right? Yeah, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, and what I'm doing this time is I'm plucking the 3rd string, holding that shape. I'm plucking the 3rd string and the top E string together. Picks playing the 3rd string, fingers plucking the top E string. Okay. So. And then you play, so you play those 2 first, then you play the 4th string and the 2nd string together. Picks playing the 4th string, fingers plucking the 2nd string, and then you do the 3rd string and the top E string together. So it's top E string, 3rd and third string and top E string together, then the 4th string and the 2nd string together, then back to the 3rd string and the top E string, all on that minor 7th shape, okay? Try it. Okay, got that. 3rd and top together, 4th and 2nd together, 3rd and top together. So now you've got this. Okay, and then we go to a straightforward D chord. Hit the 4th string open first. And that goes. Right. So and then there's this little D. So you hit the 4th string and then strum the D, and then you do this. So keeping the 2nd finger where it is from the D chord, you keep the first finger where it is on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then you use your, what I'm doing anyway is using my 2nd finger and 3rd finger, hammering. The 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 4th string, hammering up to the 4th fret on the 4th string with the 3rd finger. Then play that 2nd fret of the 3rd string twice, and then an open 4th. So the whole thing, okay? Then basically we go into another verse. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. Middle section. All my loving I will send to you. My loving, darling, I'll be true. Be mine, all my loving. Back to D, all my loving. Ooh. Back to be mine, all my loving. I will sing to you, D. Okay, got that? So the first bit is exactly the same as the usual chorus section. Be mine, all my loving. D augmented, D. Oh my love again, darling, I'll be true. Right, back just do the B minor this time. Oh my loving, oh my, back to D loving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, B minor again. Loving, I will send to D. You So that's, you miss out the augmented for the last two. Just to the B minor, oh my loving, oh my loving, oh my loving, I will say indeed you do. And there you have it, my down and dirty Campfire version of All My Loving by the Beatles for a single acoustic guitar. Thanks very much for listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.